Hey guys, I'm Sidra and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making super easy and quick chocolate chip cookies. Here is what you will need. So let's begin. Firstly, we'll mix all the dry ingredients. Here I have 190 grams of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Mix them well and keep aside. In a big mixing bowl, take 113 grams of butter. Make sure the butter is at room temperature. This will make your cookies really soft. Now add 125 grams brown sugar, 75 grams caster sugar. Mix them all well. You can also use an electric beater. Now add 1 egg, one teaspoon vanilla essence, now add in the dry ingredients and mix until it is well combined. Finally add 125 grams chocolate chips or chocolate chunks. I am using milk chocolate chunks here. Gently fold them in. You can use milk or dark chocolate chips or chunks as you like it. Cookie dough is ready. Time to scoop them. We're gonna scoop 2 tablespoons each and place them onto the baking sheet. You don't need to grease the baking sheet because there's already enough butter in it. Place them at least 2 inches apart. Leave some room because they will expand. This recipe will yield around 16 to 18 cookies. Now let's bake them in a preheated oven at 175 degrees for about 15 minutes. Keep an eye on them because they bake really fast, or bake until they are golden brown. Once your cookies have baked, let them cool down for a few minutes. And there you have it, the perfect chocolate chip cookies. Enjoy! Hope you guys like this video. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe and make sure you have the bell notifications on so you are notified every time I upload a video. Thanks for watching.